on the wrong side, taking such a deep slide. Wild women always on the run, chasing down the highway, easing through the byway, looking for a girl to take me home.
Well, here we are on the Pearl Harbor bike path, and today we're riding with the Hawaii Bicycle League's senior group, and they provide trikes free for seniors to give it a try. And then a couple of us recumbent trikers with our own trikes join the party. So we're riding, it's a 10-mile round trip along this path. John Rogers is our lead captain here, and he'll be showing everybody the tricks of the trade. Most of these people have tried the trike at one time and learning. So this is the longer one, the 10-miler. They have a 5-miler and a beginning class where they teach people about bike mechanics, gears, and the whole thing. So this is the advanced class, and I think they have 6, 7, or 8 of these trikes that they have, and these are front wheel trikes, up high, so easy to get in and out. So sit back, enjoy the ride.
I left you lonely in a crowded room, where the girls dance slowly, 2 by 2. I thought you'd curl up and just fade away, leaving me free to wander in this tune. Why do you run from the light of the moon as it shines in your eyes? Why do you run when there's no place to go? Why do you hide?
While the riders hydrate, John preps them for a road crossing. And then he sends the crossing guards out to help block traffic.
Was so lonely. Where were you when I needed love? Where were you when I needed love? Hey, I remember love like it was yesterday.
John keeps the pace nice and slow.
Bongos play Jamaican rhythms of the radio tram. Hey, taxi driver, won't you sing me your latest song? Yeah, he cut so deep as he knifed through the zombie-eyed throng. 2 pineapples in New York City. Girls are randy and the boys are pretty. Build and scream as they scrape the sky. Jungle swing sparkle in your eyes. What a wonderful day, sipping mango tea in the shade. I let the ocean touch my toes down in Kailua Bay. Shadoop dooby dooby wah, 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 shadoop dooby dooby.
All right, it looks like the gang has arrived at the Waipio soccer complex. Good ride, guys.
We see the sails in the wind, blue Hawaiian skies. I remember. Where is my paradise now that you're gone? Where are those haunted eyes? You were the one for me.
The soccer complex is a great place to hydrate, take a break, and use the restroom before the return trip.
Your caress in the night, under that palm tree swaying. Ooh, Waikiki, where I first met you. Sands of silver and gold. And the blue neon lights. We dined on mango margaritas, ate lobsters as they fell from the sky. Sweet Josie of New York City, patron saint of my troubles and the cure for my wandering way. You're the woman who loves me as I trip on my brain, stumbling, falling in love with you twice in one day. Why do you cry when I just have to go? You know that I was born to fly. Why? Whoa, whoa. Slowly slip away, passion flows as two lips play. Shakes the sun and comes the rain. Holds my hand to ease the pain. Running wild with the wind. Open doors and calls me in.
John prepares the riders for a slight hill climb, reminding them about using the gears on their trike.
My island girl is there on the road when it makes me feel.
Then he tells them to have fun on the slight downhill after a road crossing. Road guards are out right and left.
As we walk hand in hand, I hear the ocean's deafening roar. sails in the wind, blue Hawaiian skies. I remember your first time I saw the sparkle in your eyes. What a wonderful day. What more can a poor boy say? I take you down to my hometown, down to Kailua Bay.
Trikers are back at Blaisdell Park in Pearl City. Alright, you Kama'aina and local folks, remember to support the Hawaii Bicycling League, your advocates for improved cycling in Hawaii. Check them out at www.hbl.org. They will greatly appreciate your donation.
When we're all alone, take me back to paradise, to my sandy shore, where we surf the rolling waves, sun shining every day. Ooh, Waikiki. By the ocean side, where the waters are so blue, we got a date in Paris.
So I'd like to extend a big mahalo to the Hawaii Bicycling League for putting together the HBL Senior Cycle Program for those new to cycling or with physical challenges. It's great to see the folks out there. I'd also like to say mahalo to all of you who have subscribed to my channel. I appreciate it. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, share with your friends. We have a lot of upcoming tours on a recumbent trike around the islands, and we post a new episode every Wednesday. You guys be good, have a safe week. We'll catch you on the next ride. Aloha.